Hi, this is John. In this video clip, I will be taking you through step 1 in replacing a front speaker. The first thing that we need to do is locate the speaker. In this particular car, it's located in the dash below this panel. On some cars, it's located in the doors, and other ones, it's located in the center of the dash. To remove the panel on this one, it's held on by retaining clips, much like the stereo. And if it doesn't pull off, what you can do is gently take a screwdriver and use it as a pry bar and go around it and pry it until it pops off. And the front speaker should be exposed then. On this particular car, it has a 3.5-inch front speaker, so when you buy a new one, you'll want to get one of the same size.